We are heading to our campground, which is Lumby Arrowhead Park in Huntsville, Ontario. Look at the view, guys. Yeah, it's sunny day today, but tomorrow it will gonna be raining the whole day. Okay, first day is okay, a nice day. We're checking in at 2 p.m. So here's the beautiful view. We walk around here on this corner of our spot. This is the Lumby beach over there. So yeah, we're checking out in the before we're putting our tent. Okay, this is our place to sleep and our home for 2 nights and 3 days. But too bad tomorrow is raining the whole day until 5 o'clock. So yeah, here she is. What is that animal? Okay, we are here in our camping time this 2024.
Hi guys, it's Cat's Vlog's pretty daughter. No, I'm not for sale. I think that's good.
Happy brisket, sleepy brisket.
Did I just write the song of the summer? Written and directed by myself, George Cooper. Happy brisket,
Lalamok.
sleepy brisket, little ball of herbs.
Are you done doing that?
Yep.
That is your bed in Arrowhead.
It looks like a large tree house. On the top of the car.
So you're gonna be sleeping on the ground?
Yeah.
Me? Okay. This is my bed tonight and tomorrow night.
What a peasant.
What a present.
No, for the peasants.
You think you wanna sleep with me?
No, I'd
This is where our 2 princes sleep tonight. Wow, social. Nasa taas sila ng truck. Dala mo, Kate. Kate, make it sure there's no... Make it sure you don't have no thing down there. Look at this beautiful view. Okay. The clouds, the bridge, and the water. Is that amazing? The clouds,
view of
the
the
bridge,
sky.
and the water. Look at that. Yay!